really need to get a tripod for doing these. I'm not doing this for monetary. I'm doing it for my nieces and my nephew to see. You know, they're about 250 miles away from where I live, and I like to show them what I do. So I just threw this back together again. I went out to the shop and blew out the tube here. So we'll see. This is real life, real time. As you can see, I now have my propane torch back in operation here. And so this is another unit. I used to really like this. And it was given to me by a guy who used to make ceramics. He used to make pottery and stuff like that. I got a bunch of stuff from him. But I can't find anybody who will attack the tubing. The tubing seems to have developed a leak here. It's just old age. But we'll see what we can accomplish with that. Anyway, this is a three-parter, or actually a four-parter, and I'll try to include each of them in my series of videos on this. BERNZOMATIC TS4000 repair. Thanks.